I care a lot about you. I'm sorry I laughed at you. Oh! I think that was funny. My tummy made noises because I haven't had my snack yet. Ha! There it goes again! My tummy's so funny.
I think all that running made me hungry. What's that, Rumbly Belly? You want a snack. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Are you talking to your belly again?
Yes, me and my belly want a snack.